everybody, this is Tiffany. Welcome back to Living Lux on Half the Bucks, and I am back with another Watch Me Cut. I guess you could call it a Watch Me Work, but this is more like a Watch Me Cut. And I have a new printable planner weekly kit for the Happy Planner, and this is also from Etsy. It's from a Etsy shop called Pink Planet Designs, and I've purchased quite a bit of printable planner kits from her, and that's mostly what she does is printable style. So as you see here, I showed you the layout of the printable planner. Very cute design. And as you know, I do like to go to Office Max. I have a printer of my own, but I prefer to go to Office Max and print it out because the quality of their printers is very nice. So as you see me here cutting away, the kit is called, it's a vertical layout called Gingerbread. So I'll read the whole title. Printable Weekly Planner Kit, Vertical Layout, Gingerbread DIY Planner Sticker, Gingerbread House, Candyland, Winter, Christmas. That's everything. I know that's a mouthful, but I will link her shop in the description box below, and I also will link her this listing for this particular printable in the description box as well, so that way if you are interested you can get directly to it. I thank you so much for dropping in. I made this one as short and sweet as possible. The next video is going to be me putting everything all together. So it's interesting, I went back to the listing. Someone posted, just like, this is just a side note, somebody put a review of this same exact thing, and they set theirs up totally different than how I set mine's up. So the next video you'll see how I lay everything out, and pretty much how I lay out my planner for this particular kit. The review that I saw on Etsy, somebody laying out their kit, was different than how I do it. So I'm probably, if I get another kit from her again, which I know I am, I'm gonna lay it out the same way this person did and see how I like that way. I haven't bought anything just recently because I did go on a little shopping spree for printable planner kits on Etsy. So you'll be seeing some of those very soon, because I have January, I have February for the month, and then the weekly, I bought a couple of weekly printable kits, but not particularly from her, but I will get some for her. Hopefully she get another sale soon. So very short and sweet. Hope you guys enjoy watching me cut. And please subscribe, like the video. Happy holidays to you guys. I hope this video inspires you to get your planners together for the coming up 2023 year. I just bought my planner, so I will show that in a video. I got it from Michael's, and I got the deal that I wanted because I got a 15% off on sale items coupon from them if you sign up for the rewards program. So that's what I was looking for. I'm not trying to pay $35 for my Happy Planner. I wanted to come out paying $15, and that's what I did. So you will see that coming soon. Thank you guys so much. If you have any comments about, what you like to do with your planners, definitely comment down below. If you are into Happy Planners and you have, of other shops on Etsy that do printable kits, definitely let me know that, because I want to check it out. And if I see it and I like it, I definitely want to show it on here as well. Thank you so much for dropping in, and share. If you know somebody that could really really could use or find it helpful or enjoy happy planners, and they're looking for inspiration, or they're looking for shops, or they just want to see just the cutting aspect of it, then definitely share the video. Thank you so much, everybody, for joining in. And I am going to stop talking because there's only 3 minutes left. But everybody have a happy holiday. I will see you guys soon. Everyone take care. Bye.